Look at your life right now. Are you truly happy? Or are you just repeating the same habits, hanging out with the same people, and complaining about the same problems you had last year? Most people are terrified of being alone. They are terrified of what happens when the noise stops. But I am here to tell you your obsession with being seen is exactly what's keeping you stuck. I am begging you, for the next 6 months, I need you to disappear. Not because you're giving up, but because you're finally waking up. It's time to go into monk mode and build the person you were always meant to be. Disappearing doesn't mean moving to a mountain, it means cutting out the noise. It means saying no to the parties that offer you nothing but a hangover. It means deleting the apps that drain your dopamine. It means stop telling everyone your plans. Privacy is power. When you work in the dark, you don't have to deal with other people's opinions, their doubts, or their projections of what's possible. When you disappear, you stop performing for an audience and start performing for yourself. Now, what do you do while you're gone? You rebuild. First, your body. If you don't respect your own temple, you won't respect your mind. Sweat every day. Second, your mind. Stop consuming junk food content. Read the books you've been ignoring. Learn a high value skill. Third, your spirit. Spend time in silence. Meditate. Figure out who you actually are when no one is watching. This period is going to be lonely. It's going to be boring, but boredom is where greatness is born. If you can't handle being alone with your thoughts, you'll never be able to lead your own life. You'll feel the FOMO, the fear of missing out. You'll see your friends posting photos of their fun lives. You'll feel like the world is moving on without you. Let it move. While they are spending their time, you are investing yours. While they are chasing temporary pleasure, you are building permanent power. Remember, you cannot finish a race if you are constantly looking at the people in the stands. Eyes forward. The only person you are competing with is the person you were yesterday. When you finally re-emerge, you won't be the same. You will speak differently. You will carry yourself differently. People will ask, "Where have you been? And what happened to you?" You don't have to explain anything. Your results will speak for you. Your bank account, your physique, and your peace of mind will be the only proof you need. This is the year you stop being a supporting character in everyone else's story and start being the hero of your own. I am begging you, disappear, change your life, because if you don't do it now, when will you? If you're ready to commit, comment "I am ready" below. Subscribe for more. Now, go to work.